Good morning, students. Welcome to the geography class. Today we will discuss about the physical features of South America. So please take your text and open page number 117. 117. So you will see in the world map where South America is located and how it looks. See that in the first sight. The continent of South America can be divided into four physical features: western coastal strip, western mountains, central plains, and eastern highlands. The western coastal strip. The western coastal strip lies between the Andes Mountain and Pacific Ocean. Andes Mountain between Andes Mountain and Pacific Ocean. Western coastal strip. Oceans, that is all the way from the northern part of the continent. North part of the continent, you see, it is widest in the northern part and narrower towards the south. Andes is the longest mountain range. Many times I have told that, and then it is the longest mountain range in the world. Atacama Desert lies here. It is said to be one of the driest desert in the world. The middle and the northern part of the desert run along the Pacific coasts and of Chile, and remaining part runs into Peru. Next one is the Western Mountain. Western Mountain, better known as the Andes Mountain, are in fact a continuation of the North American Western Cordilleras. This is the continuation. They are young fold mountain with a length of about 7,242 kilometers that passes through 7 countries in the continent. This continent, 7 countries. These countries are Argentina, Chile, Peru, Ecuador, Bolivia, Colombia, and Venezuela. Andes are the second highest mountain in the world. Second highest mountain in the world, Andes Mountain. What is the first highest mountain is? Yes, very easy. The highest peak in the southern hemisphere is Mount Aconcagua in Chile. The Andes continues under the sea. Under the sea in the South Pacific Ocean and Pacific Ocean, and emerges, again comes up in the continent of Atacama. Antarctica, not Atacama. Antarctica as the Trans-Antarctic Mountain. We call it Trans-Antarctic Mountains. The same Andes mountain system. Andes Mountain dominated the life of the Incas. That means the original society of the people, or they are the indigenous people of South America. Incas. The peak, they worshipped as gods. They worship the mountain god. The Andes create a natural barrier between the coastal desert on the one side and the forest on the other side. The snow-capped mountain have the deep gorges. Gorges are the narrow, deep valley. The Andes is not just one chain, but at least 3 mountain chains, many of which have active volcanoes here. So today also one of the most dangerous volcanic eruption has taken place in Chile. Next one is the Ojos del Salado, then Chimborazo, and Cotopaxi are some famous active volcanoes. This is the name of the indigenous people the local name. The widest part of Andes Mountain is found in Bolivia and Peru. Yes, these mountain range have several plateaus and basins between them. The Altiplano and the enormous plateau is a big plateau located at a height of 6,000 kilometers. It has the highest lake in South America, that is Lake Titicaca. Titicaca is the highest lake that is on the mountain, on the plateau, high plateau it is there. The entire region is prone to earthquakes and volcanic eruption. These are the, so it's known as, it is in the Pacific Ring of Fire. It is located in the Pacific Ring of Fire. Next one is the Central Plain. Central Plain or the Central Lowland area. These plains consist of three rivers basins that is drained. They drain in Atlantic Ocean. They are Orinoco Basin, Amazon Basin and La Plata River Basin. This we have discussed earlier also. Just to conclude or revise it. Next one is the Orinoco Basin in the north is drained by the Orinoco River, which has its source in Guiana Highland. Amazon Basin is drained by the Amazon River and is numerous tributaries. It has got plenty of tributaries. Hope you know what is the tributary and distributary. Tributaries are the helping river. Small river joining to the large river, they are known as tributaries. But distributaries are the small river separating from the large river and making a small river. They are distributaries. So distributaries and tributaries, remember that. The Amazon River originates from Peru. The smaller ship can travel in that. Next one is the La Plata River Basin is the wild fertile basin. It's a wild, very, very fertile, that means basin located in the south. It has three main rivers contributing this. They are Parana, Paraguay and Uruguay. Remember that. It's very easy to remember actually. Okay. Next one is to the north of this basin lies the region called the Gran Chaco River Basin. The central area consists of miles of flat grassland. Okay, these are known as pampas. These grasslands are known as pampas. Below the pampas are the drier region known as Patagonia, are also called the Patagonian Plateau. The Patagonian desert is a part of its place, this plateau. Next one is the Eastern Highland. Eastern Highland can be divided into two, Guiana Highland and Brazilian Highland. Okay. Similar to the Appalachian in north, these highlands are composed of old fold rocks that contain important minerals. Like we have got the Chotanagpur Plateau have got the sources of very many mineral sources. So also here it is plenty of minerals found. They are lesser in height than the high mountains in the west because of its effects of erosion and weathering. Guiana Highland lies in the north of Amazon and the Brazilian Highland lies in the southeast. The highest waterfall in the world is Angel Falls. It's located in Guiana Highland. Patagonia Plateau lies close to the Andes Mountain also. So this is about the physical features of South America. Okay, please go through this for your understanding and then we'll see if there is any problem. Okay, bye then. See you in the next video.